Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to review the CV, the resume of one of my subscriber who is also looking for a job in software testing. Okay. So I'm going to cover the entire review process of the CV that he has prepared, and no personal questions or no personal comments, but this video has been prepared so that you all can also learn and understand how proper resume you should prepare to get an interview call. Okay, now let us start from the beginning. Okay, now if you see, the name of the candidate is this Ishwar Prasad MS. Okay, but the file name is coming as Ashok Anekar. That means he has taken the format, and I think that's why the two names are getting displayed over here. So this is your first basic checkpoint, that whenever you are even you might be taking help from the resume templates from your friends or from your colleagues, but make sure that you rename it and you save it as with your proper name itself. Okay, otherwise then later on it does not give good impression. Mobile and email he has put on the top, that's a good thing. Okay, then objective is written. Okay, that is fine. Certifications: completed software testing course. He has mentioned about the training institute from where he has done this software testing course, but again you can see the spelling of completed, it is not proper. So it is better to do a spell check once you uh, completely create your CV. Do a spell check. If it's a Word document, then press F12 key, so you'll be able to know all the spelling mistakes or errors that you have done, because resume should not have any single mistake or any error. Otherwise it does not give a good impression on the interviewer. Okay, then is skill summary. Okay, then it comes to manual testing. Good understanding of software testing life cycle, knowledge in writing test cases, and knowledge in smooth progression and ad hoc testing. Okay, this is so far so good, but over here if you can see the formatting, the if you are making anything underlined, then keep it with respect to the words, that is starting from M and it should end by G. There should not be extra line in that. So this the formatting thing that we have to take care. Automation knowledge, over here when it comes to automation knowledge, then the companies are expecting that you might give insight something about the tools like Selenium is there, Cypress is there, or whether you know Cucumber, or you know anything about DevOps tools like Jenkins is there, which is trending into the market. So these all things like good knowledge of writing SQL queries, subqueries, these you can write them as a technical skills rather than putting as an automation knowledge. Okay, so these are all the technical skills, so you can rename this heading as the technical skills itself. Okay, now let's move on now. Okay, so this was skill summary, manual testing and automation knowledge. So over here we need to rename it. Then technology qualifications. Now if you see over here, it was getting this bullet points for all the points that we have mentioned. Over here the bullet points are missing, so again a formatting needs to be done over here. Again, I think this font and this font is different, so it is better to put the same font across the resume. Then comes interpersonal skills. Now again, if you see technology qualification and the technologies, so that the heading and the content is not having any space, but interpersonal skills and the content is having space. So keep the consistency throughout your CV. Whether you want to keep the spacing or not, it is advisable to keep it consistent. You can decide whether you want to keep spacing at one place, or at all the places, because if you'll keep at one place and if you won't keep it at other place, then it will be a problem. Okay, now see, qualifications heading is on the first page but the content is on second page, so it is better to move qualification heading also onto the second page itself, so that it gets aligned. So whenever someone is reading, so he can correlate what they are reading, qualifications, and here are the qualifications: B mechanical engineering, PUC, and 10th. Okay, this is fine. Okay, There is a minor formatting thing that needs to be addressed over here. Okay, that looks good. Okay, recently completed projects. So what are all the projects that he has done? Again, see, there is a spacing over here between various testing activities. So this needs to be avoided. So it is better to reduce the spacing. Okay. Okay. Then third page is there. Okay, but third page is there, but third page does not has any data. Okay, so it is better to remove the pages that are not having any data. See, the interviewers or the recruiters, they don't have much of the time to select the CV. They are getting thousands of CVs for multiple positions and they're throughout their day. So the best thing is to keep your resume short and crisp and don't add extra pages if there is no content to be added in it. Rather than remove this page and then again compile. And over here also, if you can see the signature, put this first name is coming. Okay, so put entire name, keep it at one single place like this Bangalore. Okay, there it's not like BANG at one place and ALORE at other places. Declaration is fine. Again, there is some formatting mistake over here. Okay, so it is better that once you go through the CV, once you are converting it from Word document to a PDF document. Okay, so these are few of the common mistakes that are there in the CV. So our intention is not to pinpoint anyone, but to learn and to educate what should be the proper consistency, the styling, the formatting, and the resume of a software tester. When you are especially going for a software testing position, first of all, it's good that you have mentioned about the skill summary, but over here you have to mention about uh, manual and automation testing as well. So in automation testing, you can mention Selenium and all those things. And if there are certain skills like SQL is there or C++ is there, Java is there, then you can keep them in technical skills. Okay. Technology qualification should be renamed. I think it should keep as technical skills itself. Interpersonal skills you can add at the end. And the projects you should move up and then you should keep uh, this education summary. And a personal profile is not needed, hobbies is not needed. It's better to put date of birth and nationality is fine, even language is known is fine, up to you, but hobbies you have to remove. Okay, and remove the extra pages that are there. Keep the consistency in the formatting throughout the throughout the resume. Keep one of the uh, font if possible, and it is advisable also, it is recommended to keep one font throughout the resume, one for heading and one for content beneath the heading. It's good that email and mobile number are up available at the top of the resume. Also add any GitHub profile link or any pages that you have contributed or anything about that you have added to the community, or your LinkedIn profile link. Yes, LinkedIn profile link should also be available over here. So it would be handy for the recruiter or for anyone who is taking your interview. Okay, so far so good. So this was a short video on how you should make your resume when you are trying for a software testing position. If any of you are looking forward to get a guidance from our channel, so please share your CVs with us. We will do a free kind of review on your CVs from a fresh eyes point of view, and we will help you to figure out to make a better CV that you can apply for an interview. Okay, thank you for your time. Stay tuned for more videos.